Hello guys, my name is Srinivas Rao. I am a Python trainer. I have 20 years of experience both in project as well as in teaching experience. In previous video session, we had discussed about strings part 1 and today we will be discussing about part 2. In part 1, we discussed what is string, how to enclose single quotes, double quotes, when to use single quotes, when to use double quotes, when to use triple quotes, when to use escape sequence characters. Yesterday we discussed. And today, yesterday we also discussed, in previous session we also discussed how to enclose if you have multi-line strings by using triple single quotes and triple double quotes. And also we discussed in previous video session how to access individual characters in the string using index number and how to access individual characters from the last, from the back by using negative indexing number, and how to slice part of the strings we discussed in previous video session. Yes. So, in this session we will start with the second part 2, we start with the operators. Now, same like operators we have in arithmetic operators, here also we have two arithmetic operators, that is plus, that is concatenation operator, and one is asterisk, that is multiplication operator. So, what is the use of this plus operator? Plus operator is used to concat, For example, A equals to Python and B equals to programming language, and C equals to language. Have three strings, one is A equals to Python, B equals to programming, C equals to language. I want to concatenate. If you want to join these three strings, we have one operator called plus operator. Plus is concatenation operator. It will concatenate all these three strings. For example, my str, I will declare one variable my str equals to A plus operator, concatenation operator, B concatenation operator plus C. So, finally, you will get one string, a new string, it will return a new string, that is Python without space, because space is a character, it prints Python programming language. So, final output will be this, three strings will be concatenated. Okay. Now, we will see practically. I will go to PyCharm and I will show you both in PyCharm as well as shell prompt. So, I will declare three variables, one is Python, one is my str2 equals to programming, and I will declare one more variable called my str3 equals to language. So, I have three strings, one is my str1, my str2 and my str3. I want to concatenate. So, what will do? I will declare one variable called my str, this is one new variable equals to, now I will concatenate my str1 plus concatenation operator my str2 plus concatenation operator my str3, and I will print my str. I will print my str. Yes. Then I will run this. You will get output. Now, please see this output. The output is Python programming language. See, there is no space between Python programming language. I want to insert one more character, that is space character. So, if you want to insert space characters, what will you here? Here I will give one space here, one space plus concatenation operator, again here after my str2 one more space character plus one more space character plus my str3. Now, we will run this. When you run this, now you will get a space between Python space programming space language. So, this is a way to concat the strings, concatenate three strings or four strings, whatever, by using a plus operator, right. Now, next what we will do, we will use repetition operator. There is one operator called repetition operator. repetition operator, that is asterisk. Asterisk. If you want to repeat the same string for multiple times, we use this asterisk operator. Example. Directly we will do example on in the pie chart. For example, I want to repeat this Python for 3 times. I want to repeat this Python 3 times. So, if you want to repeat 3 times, what I will do? I will declare my new str one variable equals to my str1 asterisk or star operator, and 4 times. I want to print for 4 times. I want to repeat this. Okay. Then what I will do? I will print my new str, and when you run this program, this string, this Python string will repeat for 4 times. See it is printing Python 4 times. So, that is the use of repetition operator, that is asterisk. So, we are done with concatenation operator, we are done with repetition operator, and in previous video session we had discussed this slicing. This we discussed in previous video session. We had discussed plus repetition operator and slicing operator. Now, in this session we will discuss about this comparison operator. What are comparison operators or relation operators? Either we say comparison or we say relation. Same like we related using integers, the same way we can relate by using these operators. By using these operators. For example, now I will go to PyCharm. I will go to PyCharm. I will declare. I will print, not declare. I will print. For example, small a. If small a is greater than b, greater than a, caps a. Sorry. If small a is, this is small a, and this is caps a. Small a is greater than caps a. Yes, this is the condition is true. The condition is true. Why this condition is true? Now we will discuss why this condition is true. So, for example, see every character, every alphabet or every character have one ASCII code. Now, you should know what are ASCII codes. See, ASCII codes are American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The full form of ASCII is what? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is the most common character encoding format for text data in computers or on the internet. In standard ASCII encoded data, there are unique values for all the 128 alphanumeric or numeric or additional characters or special characters and control codes. For example, here there is one table. Here there is one table for A. For A, the ASCII code is 97. And see the caps. For caps A, the ASCII code is 65. So, when I say A is greater than caps A, it is nothing but 97 is greater than 65. So, now the condition is what here? True, because 97 is greater than 65. So, this A will convert to 97 and this caps will convert to 65. It will compare 97 with 65 and it will give, it will returns that result. We will see practically, we will see in PyCharm. In PyCharm, and I will run this print small a is greater than caps A, and when I run this it prints true here because 97 is greater than 65. Yes. For example, I will declare 2 variables. For example, fruit1, fruit fruit1 equals to small apple with small case, lower case, okay, and fruit2 equals to apple. I want to compare this. So, I will say if fruit1 is greater than fruit2, okay. Directly I won't use any if condition, directly I will print fruit 1 is greater than fruit 2. Yes, because this is small a and this is caps A, and when you run this you will get as true here. Yes, it is true. So, same way we can use less than, when you give less than here it will give false, it will give false here, right, and we can use same operators what greater than or equals to. Yes, this is also true here, this is also true here. Okay. For example, double equals to, no, both are not equal, because this is caps 97 and this is 65, and when you run this you will get false. So, these are the relational operators for strings, Yes. Now, next see in starting videos we had discussed about operators in Python. In operators we had discussed arithmetic operators, relational operators, we discussed relational operators greater than, less than, greater than, equals to, less than, equals to, not equals to, and also we discussed logical operators and logical or and logical nots. So, we are done with this, we are done with this, we done this with this, and also we discussed assignment operators, single equals to, into equals to, plus equals to, this also we discussed. These 4 operators we discussed in previous video session. So, 3 are pending, one is bitwise operators, one is membership operators, one is what, membership operators, and one more identity operators. So, these are pending, and in this session we will discuss about membership operators. So, what are membership operators? Membership operators are in operator and not in operator, in and not in. So, what is in operator? The membership operator in, it returns true if the first operand is contained with the second operand, For example, see here fruit, I declared a variable called fruit and assigned apple. Now I would check whether this L, small l, is present in fruit or not. So, L is present here. Now, so it returns what? It returns true. Okay. We will check in PyCharm. We will check in PyCharm. So, I will go to PyCharm, I will declare a variable called fruit is already there. Okay. Then what I will do? I will say print this character, which character? L. L is there or not? So, I should use membership operator called in operator in fruit 1. Small in, sorry, it is not caps, case sensitive, it is small in. See here, L is there in apple or not? I use in operator. So, now this will return true, the result will be true. Why? Because L is present in the apple. For example, now what I will do, I will use Z here, Z. Is Z is there in apple? No, it is not there in apple. So, now this will return false, yes, we got false result, right. For example, if I say not in, is Z is not there in apple? Yes, Z is not there in apple. So, what it returns? It returns true, yes. So, we have finished with membership operators using strings. We have finished with in operator and not in operator. Now, next section is what? String formatting. Next section is what? String formatting. How to format a string? Before formatting, what I do? For example, I want to add 2 numbers. So, if you want to add 2 numbers, what I do? I will say x equals to 100, y equals to 200. and sum equals to x plus y, and my expected output should be like this. My expected output, the sum of x, that is 100, and again 200 is 300. This is my expected output. Okay. X is equal to 100, y equals to 200, sum equal to x plus y, and if I run this program, I should get this output. This is string, and this is string, this is variable value, that is x value, and again this is string, this is y variable value, again this is string, again this is some variable value. So, if we want to print this, we should write like this, print. See, I used double quotes to print the sum of, then after putting double quotes here, then I should use comma here, comma, then the variable name, that is the value of x, is 100, x, again comma, then again we will start with the double quotes, okay, x and again comma, again I want to print y value. So, this is variable y, put comma here again, and I want what is should, again this is string. So, I should enclose with the double quotes or single quotes, whatever, then comma, I want to print the value of sum. So, I will use the variable sum. So, here what I am doing here, printing string, this is string, and this is string. This is variable value, this is variable value, this is variable value, and I am separating with comma, after string, comma, variable, string, comma, variable, comma, this much. So, there is one shortcut for this, okay. There is one shortcuts. Instead of printing double quotes, comma, variables, we have some string formatting methods. Now, what are string formatting methods? There are 3 methods. So, first we understand what is the string formatting, the process of inserting an object into predefined string, just now we discussed, right, the process of inserting. See what I am doing here, this is string, the process of inserting string object. So, this is object, this is one object, this is one object, okay. The process of inserting object into the predefined string is called formatting. Again I repeat, the process of inserting objects here nothing but variables in predefined string, okay. Yes, there are some ways to format this. There are 3 ways. One is by using format specifier. This is old way, this is old fashioned, okay. Now we are not using this. See, this is old, okay. Everyone either using format method or mostly we have to use this f string. So, we can format by using this percentage operator, okay. Let me show you what is this percentage operator. See here, if you want to format, if you want to print the variable of either string or floating point number or integer, okay. If you want to print that object, see, for string it is percentages. So, for string is what? Percentages. For integer, we take this integer. For integer, if you want to print integer object, the value of a variable, if it is integer, we should use this percentage d. If it is floating point number, we should use this percentage f, okay. See, what I do here, I will declare 3 variables. For example, name equals to Sachin, score, age for her, age equals to, for example, 45 for example, and average score. What is the average score of Sachin? Average score is, for example, 90.50. Okay, 50. Now, I want to print my expected output. My expected output is my name is Sachin. Sachin. My age is 45, and my average score SCORE is 90.50. So, these are objects now. We have to insert these objects or variable values. Okay, this is one object and this is an object. I want to insert in this string, So, what I will do? I will use this percentage format specifiers. This is string, and for string the format specifier is percentages, and this is integer. So, the format specifier for integer int is percentage %d. This is percentage %s, and for floating point number the specifier is percentage %f. Percentage %s, percentage %d and percentage %f. Okay. Now, we will see how to print this. So, I will come here, I will write print statement now. No need to use double quotes, comma, nothing. Just directly I will say my name is, see I want to insert this string object. So, I will use percentages because I want to print Sachin. Okay. My name is Sachin, okay, and my age is, I want to print age. So, what is age? Age is integer. So, I should use the format specifier of integer. The format specifier of integer is what? Percentage %d, and my average score. My average score is, it use format specifier, that is, what is the average score? 90.50. What is 90.50? What is the type of 90.50? The type of 90.50 is floating point number, and for floating point number the format specifier is percentage %f. Okay, comma percentage in the brackets d percentage %f. Okay, percentage in brackets. What is the variable names? What are the variable names? The variable names are what? Name. First I should print name, next I should print age, and next I should print average score. My program is done. See here, please see the line number 4. My name is percentages. So, there it prints string the name Sachin, and age is, and my age is percentage %d, it is 45, and average score is 90.50. So, we use this specifiers, and here close the brackets, close the double quotes, and put percentage, and in the brackets give name of the variable. So, that is name, comma age, comma average score. That is it. It is very simple. Yes. Now, see the output. My name is Sachin and my age is 645 and my average score is 90.50. So, this is one way to format the strings. And next way, what is the next way? We will see next way. The next way is what? By string dot format method. So, we are done with by using specifiers, percentage operator. So, next there is another way called string dot format method. So, we will discuss how to format a string by using string dot format method. Now, we first will see the syntax. By using string dot format method, the format method formats the specifier string and inserts them in the strings, inside the strings placeholders. So, placeholders are called this one curly braces. These are called placeholders. The format method formats the specifier string and insert them inside the strings placeholder. So, these curly brackets are called placeholders. The placeholder is defined using curly brackets or braces. The placeholders are replaced by curly brackets. Okay. The format method returns the formatted string. Example, we will see the example. Yeah, we will see the example. Okay, see here, name equal to Sachin, age equals to 45 and average score is to 90.50. Okay. Now, I will use what this format method. If you want to use format method, we should use here curly brackets here. Here this object will be inserted and here this object will be inserted, this 45 will be inserted here, and in this curly brackets, in this placeholder, this 90.50 will be inserted into this curly brackets. Okay. And the order should be same here. See, first name, I should print first name here, next is what? Age, here next age, and next is what? Average score. So, this is very important, the order of this is important. If you change the order, here also it will change, here also it will change. Okay. Example, we will see this example now. I will go to PyCharm, same thing, but this time I will use format method. So, same thing, see here print double quotes my name is, I won't use now, I will use what here, I will use curly brackets, placeholder. Okay. This is placeholder for name, my name is placeholder and my age is placeholder and my average score is placeholder. Okay. Then I will use dot format and in this the order. What is the order? Name, age and average score. Okay. Very important this. So, first order is what? Name. First I want to print name in the first placeholder. Next placeholder I want to print what? Extra I want to print age, and the last one is what? Average score. AVG score. Okay. AVG, sorry, age comma AVG score. Done. Yes. See, now this is very easy compared to the previous one, compared to format specifier, this is very easy. Okay. And when I run this program, see same output you got, my name is Sachin, my age is 45 and my average score is 90.50. And the last one, what is the last one? Using F strings, this is very important, and everyone now we should use this F strings only. So, formatting by using F strings. Comparatively, it is easier than this and this. Compare this percentage operator and this method, this first and second method, and this third method is easy method by using this F strings. So, we will see one example. We will see one example by using F strings. Yes. See here same thing, same curly brackets, but here we should enter the name of the verb. In placeholder we should give the name, age and F, that is it, and you should prefix with F here. We should prefix with F here. Please here, this is prefixing F, this is called F strings. To format strings we should use this F strings, and it is very easy compared to format method and the first method, that is format specifier. Okay. Use this prefix with F here before the string, and in the placeholder we should specify the name of the variable. Here we should specify name of the variable, and we should specify name of the variable here. That is it, very simple compared to other two methods. So, we will see example. Now, I will go to same here, what I will copy this. I will copy this and I will do some modifications. My name, see, it should prefix with F here. It should prefix with what here? F. So, F, my name is here. I should in the placeholder I should give name of the variable, that is name. Okay. Here age, and here what? Average score, AVG score. That is it, simple, and I will remove everything from here. Yes, done. And the third option is very easy, we are using F strings. Now, I will run the program, same output, we will get same output here. My name is Sachin and my age is 45 and my average score is 90.50. So, we are done with string formatting. In the next video session, we will discuss part 3, what are the methods in string. Okay? We will see next video session now. Okay? If you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.